In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps on your laptop, PC, or computer. Whether you're using your computer for work, school, or entertainment, knowing how to safely install applications is essential. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the core ideas you can use on almost any modern computer, and I'll explain what's happening at each stage so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, start by deciding what app you want to install. It might be a web browser, a game, a video player, or a productivity tool. Before you download anything, make sure you know exactly what you're looking for and always install from a trusted source. That usually means the official website of the app or the built-in app store on your operating system. If you're using Windows, you have two main options. One is the Microsoft Store, which you can open from your taskbar or start menu. Search for the app by name, click on it, then click the Get or Install button. The store handles the download and installation automatically, and you'll see a progress bar until it's ready to use. The second option on Windows is to download the app directly from the developer's website. Open your browser, type the name of the app followed by the word Download, and look for the official site in the search results. Once you're on that site, find the Download button for Windows. When the file finishes downloading, open it from your browser or your Downloads folder. A setup window will appear, guiding you through the installation. Usually, you can click Next a few times, accept the license agreement, and then choose Install. When it completes, you can close the installer and look for the new app in your Start menu or on your desktop. On a Mac, the easiest option is the App Store. Open it from your Dock or Applications folder. Search for the app and click Get or the Price button. Then click Install. If prompted, enter your system password. The app will appear in Launchpad or your Applications folder when it's done. You can also install apps on a Mac from the developer's website, download the file, then open it from your Downloads folder. You might see a window asking you to drag the app into the Applications folder. Once you do that, it's installed and ready to open from Applications. Finally, after installing any app, open it once to confirm it runs correctly, and consider restarting your computer if something seems off. By following these steps and sticking to trusted sources, you'll be able to install the apps you need safely and confidently on your laptop or computer.